everybody. Here we have the MidTower Deluxe Black Max in for service. This is my parents' machine. It's getting a speed improvement. It's getting a solid state drive installed. This machine hasn't been cleaned out in quite some time, probably a year, and it's well overdue. So, got the air compressor right there. It's already charged up, but that won't last long. It's only a 6-gallon. I had the camera spaced back about 10 to 12 feet and got it zoomed in, so hopefully the noise won't be totally unbearable, but it is what it is. Go ahead and crank this machine open. It's pretty dusty in there. Surprised the APU isn't overheating. It's like, yeah, there's like barely any airflow inside the heatsink. See if I can get you a good zoom in on that. It's, man, it's definitely overdue. Now, the machine was not actually exhibiting any signs of overheating, but yeah, I think it's definitely due for a cleaning, wouldn't you say? Let's get you a good look at the bottom of the case there. Get a good zoom. I think that right there should do it. Hopefully the video doesn't shake too much, because that compressor likes to wobble a little bit. Alrighty, so let's go and let the dust fly. Now it looks a whole lot better inside. Huge difference. So anyways, now the machine is nice and clean, or cleaner than it was. I'll tell you, there's nothing I can't stand more than working inside of a dusty computer. Anyways, that's cleaning out the Black Max. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.